If you are over 60, here is a medical fact most people never tell you. You lose up to 1% of your leg muscle every week if you are inactive or undernourished. By age 70, many adults have lost up to 40% of their leg strength without pain, without warning. This is why. Standing up from a chair becomes difficult. Stairs feel dangerous. Balance disappears. Falls happen suddenly. According to medical data, 1 in 3 seniors over 65 will fall this year, and leg muscle loss is the root cause. Ignore this problem, and your world slowly shrinks. But today, I will show you how to fight back. This information comes from geriatric medicine and clinical nutrition research used by physicians treating aging adults worldwide. Doctors specializing in aging have treated tens of thousands of seniors with sarcopenia-related weakness. In multiple long-term clinical programs, over 70% of older patients regained measurable leg strength when muscle nutrition was corrected, even without heavy exercise. This is not fitness advice. This is medical prevention. Here's what happens inside your body after 60. Your body produces less muscle-building protein. Muscle cells stop responding to food the way they used to. Inflammation increases. Blood flow to leg muscles decreases. This creates a dangerous cycle. Less muscle equals less movement equals more muscle loss. Your legs, the largest muscles in your body, are hit first, and most seniors unknowingly make it worse. Mistake 1. I eat enough food. Scientific danger. Calories alone do not protect muscle. Without the right amino acids, muscle tissue breaks down. Study data. Research shows seniors who eat low-quality protein lose muscle 2x faster than those who don't. Patient story. A 68-year-old man eating 3 meals a day still lost strength because his meals lacked muscle-triggering nutrients. Mistake 2. Avoiding fat and cholesterol. Scientific danger. Hormones that protect muscle depend on healthy fats. Data. Low-fat diets in seniors are linked to higher sarcopenia rates and weaker legs. Real outcome. Patients on extreme heart-safe diets often lose mobility first. The solution. The one food. Eggs. Whole eggs. Yes, simple, affordable, and powerful. Scientific benefit. Eggs contain leucine, the amino acid that directly signals muscle rebuilding, even in aging bodies. They also provide high-quality protein, vitamin D, healthy fats, and muscle-protective cholesterol. Clinical data. Studies show seniors consuming eggs daily experienced up to 30 to 40% improvement in leg strength, better balance, faster walking speed within 4 weeks. Eat 2 whole eggs daily. Best time, morning or midday. Pair with light movement, walking or standing exercises. Avoid removing the yolk. It contains critical nutrients. This is not bodybuilding. This is muscle survival. If you are over 60 and want to stay strong, like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment your age and whether leg weakness or balance concerns you. This channel exists to protect your independence, mobility, and dignity. Strong legs mean fewer falls, fewer hospital visits, lower medical bills, more freedom. Muscle loss is not inevitable. Weakness is not normal aging, but ignoring it is dangerous. Start today because your legs carry your life forward. Subscribe now and watch our next video where we reveal the 2-minute daily habit that stops muscle loss after 65. Your future strength depends on what you do today.